A new statement of changes have been released by the Home Secretary on 9th of July 2026. We are hearing quite a lot of rumors about the 10 years route to settlement and things like that. Well, it is important to note that the statement of changes does not bring in any major changes that we should be concerned about, apart from some changes relating to the asylum seekers, like what they have stated in the statement of changes, like it is not necessary for the Home Office to conduct a second interview if the Home Office can analyze in the first interview that further interview is not necessary and therefore the asylum claim can be refused. This just helps to speed up the asylum process, as we know that there are thousands of cases waiting in the backlog. What is more concerning is that the Home Secretary has presented an immigration and asylum bill before the Parliament, which is going through its second reading in the Parliament. So before it becomes law, we should be aware of what is it that the Home Secretary is proposing and what might possibly be part of the immigration law. The most important factor in the immigration and asylum bill, as stated by the King in his speech in, I believe, in May 2026, was that basically that the government is proposing changes to the particularly to the law surrounding the asylum cases and to the immigration law in general. In that immigration and asylum bill, basically what the Home Secretary is proposing, that the first year tribunals, those who hear appeals from the decisions against the Home Office, that the first year tribunals should be replaced by the independent appeals body. Now the Home Secretary claims that this independent appeals body will be independent just like immigration judges, but in reality this will be set up completely by the Home Office. So this raises a question whether this is a completely independent body just like tribunal judges, or this is some sort of being controlled by the Home Office and just being portrayed as an independent body. The Home Secretary claims that this immigration and asylum bill, setting up a new immigration appeals body, will basically help speed up the backlog of appeals cases that is being pending for several years. I get to say over here is that, okay, that's correct, that the justice delayed is justice denied. But my question to the Home Secretary is, what about justice hurried is justice buried? What are your thoughts on that? Please let us know in the comments. Thank you.